Hi, when you think about a machine vision solution, the first thing that probably comes to your mind is either a camera or the software, which is image acquisition or image processing. But there's a really important step that happens even before these two even come into the picture. Hi, my name is Raghava Kashyapa. I'm the CEO of Qualitas Technologies, and in this video, I'm going to tell you an often overlooked part of a machine vision system design that has nothing to do with image acquisition or image processing. And the step I'm talking about is the pre-process automation. So before we look at the pre-process automation, there are 4 crucial steps to designing a machine vision system. The first one is the pre-process automation. The second one is image acquisition. Third is image processing. And the fourth is a post-process automation. So let's look at the first step, which is the pre-process automation. In any manufacturing line or automated inspection system, you need to ensure that the material handling is consistent in such a way that the image acquisition device or the camera is always consistently taking images of the parts repeatedly in a consistent way. In order to do that, you have to pay enough attention to this pre-process automation step. And it's usually the process of moving parts in front of a camera and ensuring that it gets triggered at the right time so the perfect picture is being able to be acquired. Now, oftentimes this can also be a manual process. In other words, you could manually load a part in front of a camera and have it acquire the image in that position. So there are many different ways that you could actually design a pre-process automation. It could be a robotic system where the camera is mounted on the robot and the camera is actually moving. Or it could be the robot which is actually presenting the part to the camera. So whatever configuration that you choose, make sure you pay enough attention so that the next time you have a number of parts being inspected, it's being done consistently and to a high degree of reliability and repeatability. Thank you. Hope this video was useful, and I look forward to engaging with you in further conversations about machine vision.